Ethical hacking training teaches techniques that use cybersecurity knowledge to prevent malicious attacks and intrusions. An ethical hacking course can help you build your IT security expertise, opening the door to many jobs in the field and helping you increase your value in any IT position. Hacking classes can teach you how to keep unwanted visitors out of your networks and computer systems at work and home. There are many online websites offering ethical hacking courses. Some of these are Udemy, Coursera, edX, and SkillUp. Number 1 is Udemy. People looking for beginner-friendly ethical hacking tutorials can consider Udemy hacking courses. There are more than 200 ethical hacking courses on Udemy that have an average rating of 4.5 and above out of 5. Udemy hacking courses focus on the basics of ethical hacking, internet security, and cybersecurity from scratch. Udemy ethical hacking courses require no coding experience and teach ethical hacking through live video lessons. Ethical Hacking for Beginners is one of the best ethical hacking courses on Udemy for those who are looking for affordable ethical hacking courses. The course is curated for beginners or anyone who wants to learn ethical hacking and is interested to pursue a career in cybersecurity. The course modules begin with teaching penetration testing basics and how to set up your own lab for practice. Kali Linux, which is a tool used in penetration testing and security auditing, is the primary area of focus in this Udemy ethical hacking course. Coursera is the next most popular website to learn many ethical hacking courses. Online courses on Coursera can introduce you to the fundamentals of cybersecurity, including various types of cyber threats and security tools. Other lessons focus on specific tasks, such as exploiting vulnerabilities in certain applications. You can also choose to learn about forensics, incident response, and penetration testing, as well as principles of secure coding. With Coursera ethical hacking courses, you can develop knowledge of cybersecurity analyst tools including data protection, endpoint protection, SIEM, and systems and network fundamentals. Get hands-on experience to develop skills via industry-specific and open-source security tools. Gain skills for incident responses and forensics with real-world cybersecurity case studies. So Coursera has a lot of courses in ethical hacking field. edX is another popular website to learn many ethical hacking courses. edX.org offers courses and certifications designed in leading institution. You can start with cybersecurity basics with a course from the University of Washington, Introduction to Cybersecurity. It offers an overview of common types of attacks, including denial of service and Trojan viruses, plus how to combat them. It also goes over the latest news and security systems. If you're ready to go RTX offers a micromasters in cybersecurity. You'll learn the fundamentals of detecting investigative tools, risk management, and network security. You'll also gain an overview of common hacking tools, cybercriminals, and black hat hackers use to exploit vulnerabilities. In addition, you can take courses designed to keep you safe while working on your smartphone or accessing bank accounts, and how to build things like strong passwords, use antivirus tools, and understand everyday activities like phishing. edX also offers boot camps in cybersecurity. The next website that you should consider to learn ethical hacking course is SkillUp. SkillUp ethical hacking course is designed for beginner. This free ethical hacking course introduces you to the fundamental concepts every aspiring ethical hacker should know. It will introduce you to different types of ethical hackers and ethical hacking tools. Ethical hackers are granted access to a network to identify vulnerabilities in the system. This course is a great stepping stone on your journey to become a trusted cybersecurity professional. In this course you will learn about database skills, cryptography skills, Linux and database skills, Trojans, backdoors and countermeasures, IDS firewalls and honeypots, advanced hacking concepts, network packet analysis, mobile and web technologies, and advanced log management. If you like the video, please hit like button. If you want others to learn about ethical hacking, then click on share button. And to get recent update about new content, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.